Our review: a cheese factory produces cheese in 1 pound packages. Quality control weighs each package. If the package is not exactly 1 pound, it is marked with a sticker to indicate the amount by which the package is either over or under 1 pound. All right, so we're gonna plot the approximate locations of each of the numbers on the number line below. So we're gonna take a look here, and the cheese package and the weight over or under the pound. We're gonna take a look here that we have our pound will be in the middle here, so it'll be at about 0. So our pound is just gonna be in the middle at our balancing point. So now we have this orange one here is at -0 and 2700ths. So if we take a look here, we have between, this will be negative, well, first of all, this will be 1/10, 2/10, 3/10, 4/10, 5/10. So I'll kind of mark those. So 0 and 1/10, 2/10, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, -0.1, -0.2, -0.3. All right, let's take a look. So, first of all, that orange one, -0 and 2700ths. So that's going to be -0 and 2700ths. So negative, we're going to go -2, in between 2 and 3 for the 27. So it's going to be somewhere along the lines in here. Let's take a look at this next one. B is going to be at 0 and 1/10, so it's going to be right here. And C is going to be -0 and 400ths. So it's actually going to be very close to 0. So that's going to be kind of in between that 0 and 1 there. So now if we take a look at these, we're going to look and order the packages from the heaviest to the lightest. So heaviest to the lightest. The heaviest is going to be package B. So package B is going to be the heaviest. And then in the middle will be that package C. And then the last, or the lightest, under that pound, under that balance, is going to be package A. So B, C, A. And then we are actually going to take our things over here and we are going to drag and drop them in our circles. B is going to be the heaviest, so that's going to be more than all of the rest. So that's going to be greater than that C and A. And then C is going to be greater than that A. So we're going to have, I know this is a little tricky, don't worry, it takes practice. So we're going to take a look at these and we're just going to at least recognize that the big mouth is going to eat the bigger number when we're comparing them. And that's going to be it for our review.